I found real peace in Jesus, the kind of peace no other one can give. You know he lived and died to free us and to give us a much better life to live. Every road I seemed to take took me back to where I was before. I didn't have much inner peace and I wanted so much more. Well, I decided to give Jesus a chance to really mean something to me. And since that time it's been alright. I wonder if people can see in me I found real peace in my Jesus. Yes, I have the kind of peace no other one can give. No other one, no. You know he lived and died to free us and to give us a much better life to live. Help me, brothers, now. I didn't ever think I would ever know what my life was all about, but I did know the do's and don'ts of doctrines was something I could live without. The chance of Jesus ever being real, I surely did deny. But now I know how it can feel, and Lord, I gotta testify that I found real peace in Jesus, the kind of peace no other one can give. No other one, no. You know he lived and died to free us and to give us a much better life to live. Oh, I found real peace in my Jesus. You can find it too. All you gotta do is let it in your life. Oh, you might try to find it in drugs, my friend. You might try to find it. Oh, you might try to find it in your sex alone, my friend. You might try to find it. Oh, you might try to find it in your ego trips, my friend. You might try to find it. Oh, you might try to find it in your music, my friend. But until you know Jesus, you'll never really know what life's about. And after you meet my Lord, you will go out and shout, I know I found real peace in Jesus, the kind of peace no other one can give. No other one can give. You know he lived and died to free us and to give us a much better life to live. Whoa, I found real peace in my Jesus. You can find it too. All you gotta do is let him in your life.